Hey. What is up this beautiful morning? Right. Let me see. Player debuffs, but that's actually not true, man. What's going on here? Tile Raiders. Player. Special ability. Ability. Oh shit, there's crypto and everything. We don't want that. Game dev, man. Game dev, what up? What up? So, first of all, guys, I'm gonna do this for the people on Twitch. Alright. That's good news. Okay. Let's zoom in here. Perfectly fine. What is Streamlabs here? Is everything okay? Probably it is. Alright. Welcome. So let's do a quick run here actually in our prototype, which is one we call, to be honest. Let's shoot some stuff. Let's move out the screen here. Yeah. So what I did is basically I coded the oozes. Let me shoot some stuff here. So the ooze is basically gonna move slower, but if you shoot them, they're gonna actually do some stuff, right? Like I said, this is a prototype, testing mechanics, nothing more special, to be honest. I will add more screen shake and particle effects very soon. No kidding. So also, if we shoot a player, basically the splash damage will kill everything near it, right? So you could see these are two. I shoot them and they are all dead, right? That's the thing. So these oozes are pretty annoying, so we need to take care of them very soon. We're also gonna add more characters and all that stuff. So that's good, right? Anyway, that's what we have. Let's do it like that. That's fine. So what we're gonna do now is basically code a player's superpower. So we're gonna have a super ability that you can also spec each time you level up, and you have the luck. You can spec into your super, so you're gonna have more bullets. I don't know. We're gonna see. I have no clue what we're gonna do. Each character will have its own special ability, but let's just make one for now. Let's make one for now. Man, music is way too loud. Let's close all these editors here. Let's open up. Play like this, perfectly fine. So I think we have something like fire, can fire, shoot direction, and all that stuff. We don't have special. Do we have special? No, we don't. It's fine. So how are we gonna do this? Hey Dad, nice coding skills you got here. Simonas 11111122. Thank you very much, my man. Coding skills to pay the bills. Actually, I don't. I just press buttons, man. That's the only thing I do. Pressing buttons. Are we gonna call this player? Are we gonna call this super or special ability? Super, maybe, right? Something like that. Alright, let's add some variables. Game object class movement speed debuffs, pickup radius. We're gonna say super delay. Time duration. Last super. Sounds good to me. So when can we super? Well, we can super if the super is charged. But that's for later on. If p time, actually to be honest, yeah, now it's gonna be time now if p, if now after p last super at super delay. Then we get super. It's that easy. It's that easy, guys. So basically mean super here, right? So then we're gonna say p last super is gonna be now, right? If I can type. It's still early in the morning and I'm hyped because I go to the gym today. Why? To get these, but the light is bad. But you can see my delts, right? You see the delts here? Look at that. Insane, insane. Look at that. Woo! But the light is not good, but it's not matter because I am beautiful from every angle. That's just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Anyway. 2 viewers on YouTube. What is that, man? Hey, I'm going downhill. I came from 100 views and going downhill. I don't know what it is. But it is fine. It's good. That's more focus here. You know what I mean? More focus here. Super, right? So, right, we're gonna do it's very simple. A button is game pressed. We're gonna say if a button is key pressed. Guys, what's the space key? Right? Be super. And that's done. Alright, so what's gonna be a super? I have no clue. I think a super is gonna be something special. So each bullet, let's play again, right? So each bullet has basically a lifetime, right? So you can see if I shoot the lifetime, now we can kill 4 tiles, right? Of course, tiles will scale with the level, right? It's gonna get harder and harder, right? So basically means that I think a super level 1, super level 1. What's going on these mobs, man? Ooh, these Zeus's, look at them, how cute they are. So basically, can we pause the game, man? I just want to explain something. So a super is gonna basically fire bullets at a higher velocity with an infinite lifetime. And super level 2 could be, depends on the character, right? This is just a player, right? We're gonna have multiple characters. We could have multiple directions and all that stuff, right? This is a linear shooter because there are some strategic elements, so it's not that you can shoot diagonal. It's gonna be linear, I think. For now, I don't know. I have the idea in my head. Everything is set out. Everything. The game concept is very, very fun. But now we need to test these mechanics, right? Because they are fun in my head, but are they fun in game? Who knows? All right. We can start with something like there's so many options. I'm thinking here to yoink this thingy here. So we have this bullet. Max bench. My bench is bad. I never actually took it to the limit because I have some shoulder, not injury, but when I was younger, right, I was benching on the Smith machine. On the fucking Smith machine, you know what I mean? And I was I think in a bad position with too much weight, and I injured my shoulder, and it's basically a pain that stays through all these years. But my max bench is 105 kilograms. I never pushed it to the limit. I have insane chest genetics, that's for sure, but I never, I'm not a big bencher. I actually also never one rep max a lot, because it's waste of, the risk to reward of a one rep max is just not good enough, right? Like I said before, if you want to build muscle mass, you need to go to volume. You need to do volume training, you know what I mean? And volume training is in a rep range around 8 to 12, 15 reps. That's volume. That's how you get the most out of the most bang out of your buck, right? Strength is nice to have, but strength is not gonna give you that much. Of course, hey, nobody was skinny. Nobody went skinny by doing strength, right? No, there is no one in Earth that lost muscle mass because he was training for strength. But it's not efficient, right? Anyway, so this super. How are we gonna do that? We just need to spawn a bullet, actually. Something very simple. We can actually yoink everything. This ammo is not gonna happen here. So I'm gonna do this real quick. We're gonna calculate the shoot direction based on the angle. Position, new bullet. A new bullet. We could say bullet dot speed. What's the default bullet speed, actually? Well, we could do times equals. Let's scale it. Let's scale the bullet speed 1.5, which could also be something you can spec into. I don't know. Bullet lifetime is gonna be in, I don't know, just insane lifetime, and then spawn a bullet and call it a fucking day, right? Of course, now we can spawn supers all the fucking time. So let's do some small stuff. Let me see. It's so annoying to do the super with space, but I'm not gonna lie, it's... Man, I can't keep supering, what's going on? What's going on here? Yeah, maybe we should actually set a super delay, I'm not gonna lie. There should be no delay here for this thing. It should be charged in some kind of fragments or something you need to pick up. What's going on here? Every 5 seconds maybe, but I'm gonna make it faster, so we can test it out, right? Oh yeah, it's annoying. Look at that. This delay, man. Now it's actually how the game should be played with a. Your fire rate is so bad. Right? Look at that. You see, I cannot fire anymore, so it's gonna be very hard. So I'm gonna. I need to wait, kill them all. Get the fuck out of here! Super maybe? You see, if I super this, it's gonna, the lifetime, it's gonna kill everything on the screen, right? So that's good. This angle. Range, directions. Actually, this angle shooting is not too shabby, to be honest. Not too shabby, not gonna lie. Why is this under? It's this 1-1 thingy. Do we want that 1-1 thingy? I don't think so. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. I have no fucking clue. You tell me. We need to play and see if it's gonna be amazing or not. Can we please type? Yeah. So this is gonna be an option as a super, right? So we are shooting here. It's fine. Everything is good. Oh no, we are in trouble. Maybe later on we're gonna be in trouble. Super. You see, nothing happens because we completely missed that thing. Now I'm stuck here because I'm charging. My bullets are charging. My fire rate is too bad. Maybe it's too super heat. Oh shit. I'm going super all the way, man. Fuck everybody. You see, it should be powerful and it should charge. And you should level it up, right? The game is, in the end, the game is going to be very boring, but then it's going to be very satisfying to kill stuff on the screen, just like Vampire Survivors, you know what I mean? This fire rate is so annoying, not gonna lie, to be honest. Because bullets are a thing in the game, right? Bullets, ammunition is a thing in the game. If you shoot too much in the beginning, you're gonna get out of ammo, you're gonna die. But this fire delay is way too much. 1 second, maybe. That's gonna be 5 seconds, super delay, charge, something like that. I don't know. Maybe you're gonna pick things up. I don't know. Maybe there is a pickup that will reset your stuff. You see, shooting is already a little bit problematic because, of course, without particle effect is a little bit scuffed. Not gonna lie. Shoot! If I shoot this, is gonna explode. Yeah, that's nice. And the thing is, you need to shoot these tiles because you're gonna find stuff in it. You farm. You're basically farming them also, right? How can I do this? Fighting is it's way too slow in my opinion right now. I'm dead. You see what I mean? Of almost dead. Kill this one. Kill this one. Super heal maybe. This ooze. We should already level up. We should do that so we can actually... I missed that! Scuffed! Oh! Yeah, I'm there. Anyway. You can see where it's going, right? You can see it's a little bit boring in the beginning, but if we level up, you're gonna have a selection of some perks, right? And you're gonna level up, and once you level 50, you're gonna be overpowered and kill the screen. Something like that, you know what I mean? Play debufs. It's again the wrong YouTube title. It's YouTube platform is so fucking bad. It's garbage, man. It's I don't even know what I'm doing there, to be honest. So these directions should be based on, let's make it even funner. I'm gonna test something like 1-1. What up, Stressed? What up, my man? Test 40, I hope. That's not your stress level, but your testosterone level. That's also bad, to be honest. 40, I don't know. I don't know what actually the levels need to be. I don't know. You tell me. So diagonally, left, right, diagonal, this thing. Which is gonna be this, right? So then we're gonna have -1, 1. And then 1 - 1, right? Something like that. It's gonna be all. This is gonna be super. This is gonna be the ultimate super. You know what I mean? We're gonna kill the screen. You see? That's what we need. That's what we need. We need that thing. That satisfaction. You know what I mean? If you level it up, after a couple levels, you're gonna have this super, right? So you are in trouble. You shoot the fucking whole screen. You know what I mean? If you. So I'm actually seeing this diagonal shooting. Is a thing. I think maybe we should implement that instead of being this such that limited, restrict the player for that stuff. Boom, look at that. Let's do it again. I can't. It's recharging. Oh shit, he oozes. He's OP. The thing is, I can see my frame rate dropping for some fucking reason. I think I have a very unoptimized code in my engine, not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure it is. But it doesn't matter. I'm slowed. So if you go over the ooze thingy, you're gonna get slowed, right? Actually, players should also be slowed unless it's a ooze, you know what I mean? Shooting itself so slow, it's so annoying, not gonna lie. Red is ammo, but we need to find better things for that. Let's shoot. 106, man. So dropping the frames, it's insane. Need to figure out how that's possible. Actually, we cannot kill the whole screen. That's actually bad. That's bad. That's so bad. You know what I mean? You shoot a bullet and it's basically deleting all the level. That's not good. What we could do is so normally it's a lifetime of 100. So it basically means that we can kill 4 tiles, right? 4 tiles. Because each tile will subtract 25 from your lifetime. So what we could do is say that's something like where you can spec into also, right? This parameter could be a factor. You can upgrade your lifetime of something. You see, now it's already better, right? We cannot kill everything, right? What's going on? Damn, I fucked it up. I fucked it up, guys. Man, look at this frame. We need to fix these frame drops, man. At this. Can we kill these guys here? I can't. This is so boring, man. This fire rate of your default weapon is too slow because you cannot kill. Shit. They That's fine. 3 times is maybe it. We don't need that. We're just gonna shoot it like that. Actually, level 1 should be. Let the player fire faster, but then he needs to be responsible with the bullets, right? Out of here, man. Oh, shoot! Yes, nice. Is it the tiles that are basically... Look at that, how scuffed this shooting is. We need to align this. Too much bullets also. Too much XP also. That's getting dropped, so we need to fix that. You can see if you shoot this one, they're all gonna disappear because it's splash damage, right? But you don't see it because there are no particle effects, because we don't use an engine. Because we're retarded, we should actually use an engine, and we didn't have these optimized problems, you know what I mean?
Tough luck, babe. Struck out when you have about 30 chances. One bad day, now you don't know how to pay for the damage. I don't wanna climb. If I'm gonna fall back, it's a waste of time. Keep winning. How the hell do you make it look so easy? I'm spinning, and I can't seem to get back on my feet. Yeah, I might give up.
It's too much XP. Actually, to be honest, balance in the game, eh? Let me see if it's the... No, guys, let me alone, man. Motherfuckers. No, I'm slowed. Debuff, debuff, debuff. Oh man, this is so bad. You know what the problem is if you make something like this, right? You're writing code everywhere, and at a certain point of time, you don't know what the fuck is going on. You know what I mean? You don't know what's causing issues. And you need to understand that in a game engine, you're basically running updates. In this case, it's log2, I think it's my screen refresh rate. Monitor refresh rate is 144. So it's 144 frames a second. So you're running that 140, all the logic of your game 144 times a second. So one mistake is problematic, right? One mistake is problematic. But where is it, right? Of course, we know where to look. most of the time it's going to be rendering stuff or collision detection, something like that, or basically updates of entities to see what's going on. For example, the first thing that came to mind is basically maybe it's the trail, because we're appending to a trail which could copy stuff and then you copy it again, so you could have some problems here. But it's super, but I don't think it has to do something with that. Swapping tiles is also not a big of a deal, I think, because it's just adjusting memory. So we don't call this new thingies. We only call set variant, which basically does. Something that I know is this fill. I know that image fill is slow. The problem is also, once again, that this is an hidden image. We don't know. We have no control on over what this fill does actually, right? So let's copy check in. I think it should be optimized, right? Because if you use something like that, I mean, and then they're gonna do this. It's actually simple. And then they're gonna call fill here, which is basically the image of Golang. So that's why if you want to prototype a game and you want to write it yourself, you're complete. You should just use something simple like Unity or even Godot. It's a very lightweight where you just can add stuff and you don't need to hassle with all this bullshit, and you can just focus on mechanics and playtest and see what works, right? I think it's the image fill. Use a package color with that. You could use color scale here and scale it based on the tile, but the tile are gonna be images anyway, right? Later on. If that's causing the slowness that you just want to fill an image, which is basically just adjusting pixels in memory, I mean, then you're gonna have a bad day, not gonna lie. Who's OP? Anyway. I'm thinking here. I actually want to figure out why we get these frame drops. It's gonna be some investigation, so it's gonna be very boring on stream. So I'm gonna wrap it up right now because it's even morning. There's nobody here anyway, so who cares? For the people watching later, thank you for clicking on my video. Because what's happening right now with these tiles, we are setting just colors, right? But actually, eventually, there's gonna be. Eventually gonna be some tiles. I don't know. I don't have any of these things here, but we're gonna draw some tiles, right? Not too detailed, but we're gonna have something, maybe some textures or something on it. So. But I don't think that's going to be the problem. If a fill is a problem, that would be flabbergasted. But I know because I already did some stuff with fill in a loop and it was very, very, very slow. We need to also spawn these pickups, yeah. Yeah, it could also be. We don't have a decent entity system. The only thing you do is append. So it can cause copies. See, that's why I'm gonna think about that. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon in the next video. Probably devlog. I'm trying to get some content and gather some content to make a nice devlog, like a very short video on how we built this and what the thinking process is and why we switched from Odin to Golang and probably from Golang to something else. We will see. We will see what's going on.